Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Are you ready to take your YouTube videos to the next level? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to share some valuable tips and techniques that will help you create engaging and professional content that stands out on YouTube. But before we dive into the tips, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Alex, and I run a successful YouTube channel dedicated to helping creators like you grow their audience and improve their video production skills. I've been on this journey for several years, and today, I'm thrilled to share my insights with you. Our first tip is all about capturing your audience's attention right from the start with engaging introductions. You have just a few seconds to make a lasting impression, so make it count. Consider starting with a compelling question, a surprising fact, or a captivating visual to hook your viewers right away. Now, let's move on to tip number 2, which is all about creating quality content and leveraging the power of storytelling. Your viewers want to be entertained, informed, or inspired. So, focus on delivering value through well-researched and organized content. Additionally, try incorporating storytelling elements to make your videos more relatable and memorable. Our third tip revolves around visual appeal and editing techniques. As a YouTuber, your videos should be visually appealing to hold your audience's attention. Pay attention to lighting, framing, and overall aesthetics. When it comes to editing, keep it dynamic and engaging by using jump cuts, B-roll footage, and music to enhance the viewing experience. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of including a strong call to action and fostering audience engagement. After watching your video, viewers should know exactly what action you want them to take. It could be subscribing to your channel, liking the video, leaving a comment, or visiting your website. Encourage interaction and build a sense of community around your content. And there you have it. For essential tips and techniques to elevate your YouTube videos. Remember, creating great content takes time and practice, but with dedication and the right strategies, you'll see your channel flourish. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy YouTubing! Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and any additional tips you'd like to add. I'll be sure to respond to each one. Until next time, keep creating and sharing your unique voice with the world. See you in the next video.